Hello, hello. Today we're going to be playing with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. Very excited about this. Look at this packaging. Let's go ahead and read online what it says about this product. On Sephora's website, it is $31. They have a crap load of shades, so that's super cute. Let's go ahead and read Huda Beauty #FauxFilter Luminous Matte. Why is it luminous and matte? Buildable coverage, crease-proof concealer. It is vegan, liquid formula, matte finish, long-wearing, full coverage, waterproof. A buildable, creamy formula that can flex from medium to full coverage while it visibly brightens and conceals. Is fragrance-free, long-wearing, crease-proof, and made to move with you. Coverage, full, finish, matte. Highlighted ingredients, vitamin E and sweet almond oil, condition and care for the delicate under eye. This versatile concealer has a lightweight, blendable formula. There's a fly in here. It's been in here for days. I thought they only lived for like a day, but somehow it got in here and it's been flying around and tormenting me for days now. It's sitting on my ring light. Back to this. Oh yeah, I've got the shade Graham Cracker 4.1G. Okay, I've been doing this. We're not gonna waste it. I swatched on the back of my hand. I've been doing this with my fingertips, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this to one side and see. And we also have some blemishes that we can test this on, so that's exciting. Okay, so that's how much I put on. We're just gonna blend. Blendy blend. Okay, this is the first coat. You can definitely see it more on camera. That's interesting. Let me just put just a tad more on to see if I can build up coverage. Blendy blend, tappity tap. This is a little bit light of a shade for me, but that's good because it'll brighten, and I'm gonna put on powder so that'll help everything blend together, but I'm digging it so far. It's definitely getting rid of my dark circles. It doesn't look really heavy. We're into it. Okay. Let me do the other side real quick. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I could not wear this on its own because look at this line. But I like it. I feel like it's covering dark circles. It's not cakey. I did have to use a little bit more than I thought because this said it's full coverage. So it's definitely buildable, but it's not full coverage right away, which I kind of like. Okay, let's see if we can cover this zit a little bit. Oh yes, it's covering the zit. Great. And then maybe a little bit here because I have some acne here. So let's just dab it on. I'm gonna powder and then we'll be right back to see the full final look. All right, now that we've powdered, like I just lightly dusted the excess of my powder over my concealer and it looks real good. Not like perfection. I'll give you guys a look. This is the finished final product. Not like absolute perfection, but it looks real good. It blended really, really nicely, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking in the mirror. I'm headed to a baby shower. That's why I'm wearing pink, although they're having a boy. I know. I don't know what my deal is, but I'm headed to a baby shower. So we're gonna see our wear test. We'll check in a little bit later, see how it's holding up, see how it's looking in different lights. You know the drill. I will be right back. I just went ahead and picked my face. Oh, it's gonna bleed all over now. It's great. Right before I came on camera, so that's great. But I wanted to come on camera and tell you my thoughts about the Huda Beauty, how do you say it? Huda Faux Filter Concealer. I am digging this concealer. It is matte, but it's not crunchy. It hides dark circles. It stays in place. It looks natural. I'm really excited to play with this concealer more, honestly. Like, it did really good. I think that if you can hear my dog, he's choking and running around. He just finished his dinner, so he's all hyped up, and I just came home from the baby shower, which was so much fun. I wish I had a little bit of footage to insert here, but I'll get better at that. Anyway, had so much fun at the baby shower, and I really like this concealer. I think I'm gonna play around with it a lot more. I might go one shade up because this seemed a little bit light on my skin. Like when you saw me apply it, you could definitely see the line of demarcation, and I don't like that. I like to have a more blendy moment with my concealer, so I might go one shade up, which is interesting because I swatched it in store. I bought this in store and swatched it, and I thought that this was a pretty good shade match. But, it's really hard to pick your shade. That's what I'm learning. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I will link down below of my playlist for all my other reviews, so you can check those out. Hit that subscribe button for my new reviews that come up. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time, so definitely check out my new content coming up. And thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will check you on the next one.